Hi there, Robin here, and today we've got the Redragon S101 wired gaming keyboard set with multicolored RGB lighting to it, which we're going to turn the lights off in a second and have a quick look at that. And it comes with the mouse. Now the mouse is really where it starts off when it comes to overall features. You get all the extra buttons on the side. You get good ergonomics. You can even balance control this mouse. There's weights at the bottom here, so you could adjust the weight to the left or right, center it up if you want. All of that can be done with the mouse. Now, of course, does it work? Absolutely, it works. I think everything in the mouse works just fine. If you haven't had buttons on the side, it's something new to get used to. And of course, you can remap out your entire mouse. That's really nice. So right now, I do have this hooked up downstairs in my actual studio where I do all the videos. But permanently, this mouse is going to be part of my R12 Alienware rig, which is really what I bought it for. And it's really to give me this green light that I want. I want a glowing green light on my keyboard because when I'm editing videos, I don't have a lot of lights on. I want to be able to see the keyboard with ease. So I put everything in dark mode and my keyboard lights up really nice. And that's why I got it. And the other really big reason is I wasn't going to spend $150 on the Dell combo set. This is much, much more reasonably priced. And to be honest, it's a mouse and keyboard. It works really well. That's what's important. It has all the functionality and typing keys. Most of the time doing editing, I'm just using all the straight up functions and shortcuts and everything like that. And I'm going to be able to do all of that on this keyboard. So realistically, it has to be good, really good, but it doesn't have to be like 5 times the price good. I mean, I have a hard time justifying that. So at the end of the day, do I like it? After testing it out here, before bringing it upstairs, and of course doing this video today, absolutely. So why don't we take a look at the colors and the real reason why people buy the Redragon. So to be nice to the entire rig, I've actually turned off the monitors. This way the camera focuses better on the keyboard, and all you really need to do is hold the function buttons. The keys are right here. Now you don't need to download any driver package. You don't need to do anything at all. All you really need to do is plug it in. And it just works. That's the amazing part. I'm always of the rule of thought that, things are complicated. You got to download software, drivers, set this up on your computer. No. This just works. Use the function keys, cycle through the different settings that you want to have, and it will just get you where you want to go. That's all you need to do. Nothing more complicated than that. Pick what you want your actual keyboard to look like, and it will do what you want it to do. You can easily have it go through cycle modes. I mean, it does so many different things, and you get it to do what you want, and you'll be just fine. So again, function keys, and then you basically just pick out the actual style and setting that you want to have. So if it's not bright enough, of course, you can brighten it up. If it's too bright, you can dim it down to the point that you can turn it off, just like that. And it also, for the effects, if you like the effect, but it's too slow, you can speed it up. And if you want, you can slow it down. Again, that's it. I actually have it right now in the full RGB color mode, but you can have it in any solid color. So here's where we get to choose our solid colors. So again, you can have it in a blue setting. You can have it in red. All the colors are there. I wanted green. I really like the green look on the back. It's not hard on the eyes, but it's really bright at the same time. So that's where I'm going to leave it. And remember, if it's too bright, I can dim it down or bring it back up again. It's that simple. Again, not complicated. Still has all the special functions, and of course, just like any keyboard, if you're using it in gaming or in software, like I use it for video editing software, you can make sure and actually shortcut the whole thing the way you want. At the end of the day, you can still do all of that. So there you go, the Redragon 101 keyboard mouse set. Like I said before, I do like it, and I think it's going to work out really good with my new computer. So I'd like to say thanks for watching. I hope this video helped a bit in your buying decision. Maybe I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.